And Jonna Valera. Jazz Cerezo, 26, Philippines.
I'm Iaco Reyes. I'm the only band designer in Fashion Week.
I'm Nat Manila, neighbor of Happy.
Lin Catalan.
I'm Lev Rodriguez. I'm the clown for Freya.
Okay, tell us about your group. Oh, what's the down?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming today, especially for the members. They didn't mention their position, but when Miss Happy Andrade is the president of Padal Manila. Mr. Dax Biani is our vice president. Jonna Valera is our secretary. Jazz Cerezo is our fiscal development director. Iaco Reyes, our public relations officer. We have Mr. Nat Manila for our media liaison. And Mr. Kim Catalan for our director of logistics and marketing. Serious, di ba? Hindi bigyan ng posisyon. And I'm the preacher. When I decided to put Padal Manila, my vision was to put designers together for the betterment of the fashion industry. When I had the officers, actually these officers were really on top of my list already when I wanted to put the group. Sila na talaga, wala akong second option, third option. Sila talaga. My first option to have as president is Happy Andrada. So I had to meet with her first. Sabi ko, pag nag-yes sa akin si Miss Happy Andrada, and then I think there would be a future for this group talaga. So nung meet ko si Miss Happy Andrada, it was in Shangri-La. I was really hoping that she would say yes. I believe that for someone as young as Happy, it was such a big feat when she did her Feria show. For it to come out with 50-piece collection at a venue hall, that's something big for a designer to do. And I think every young designer should be inspired with what Happy did. You should always take the first step. As what Confucius said, as what Confucius said, 1,000-mile journey begins with a single step. I always believe in that. So when Happy did this one, Happy knows what she wants. And I think she knows that she really loves fashion, and that's something that we should look forward to with each and every one in this group. So when I met with Happy and she said yes, it really made me feel good, and how do you say that in Tagalog? Nakakataba ng puso. That Happy believes in the same vision and the mission, diba? So sabi ko, ang next goal ko, nung nag-yes na si Happy, I was so excited, I really have to call the guy na naisip ko for the vice president. Which is a total opposite of Miss Happy Andrada. Actually, pinili ko talaga sila isa na mahusay na magbuti. Siguro nag-isipan ko siya ng mga Louis J, my assistant liaison would know. I've been thinking about it for 2 months, almost 2 months. Naisip ko, matagal ako talaga mag-isip. Hindi ako kasi naniniya ako, masteral position, so mabagal. So,
si Happy super bad.
exactly. Kailangan yin yang. So, sabi ko, when I had sa vice president, nilagay ko talaga Mr. Dax Biani. So when Happy said yes,
Explain mo muna bakit opposite.
total opposite kasi Happy is a very quiet type. Everyone knows that. For those who know Happy is a quiet one. Happy is, she knows how to lead people, but she's always quiet. Because she makes she would be like, the last lecture, excuse me, can we just start this already? Or, can we start doing the makeup? She's like that. She's more of that one. But, sabi ko, if we're gonna have a vice president na almost the same as Happy, baka lahat na lang tayo, parang, excuse me, mag-start na din tayo. So someone has to balance it. So someone, yung character niya, dapat yung strong character, yung pag-hindi ko, let's go! So that would be Mr. Dax. Yung lang lahat naman si Dax Biani. But that's in a nice way. That's in a very nice way. When I met Dax, I met him in a party, was it? It's a fashion show. It's a party of a common friend. Doon ko siya first na-meet. And nung na-meet ko siya, it seems like we've been friends for matagal na. Yeah, parang matagal na kami kakilala. And though, it was through that time na-meet ko yung aking best friend, si Steve. So, when Happy said yes, right away, I made sure to call Dax Biani. Tinawagan siya sa cellphone. Papunta pa rin siya sa Boracay noon. You were on your way to Boracay the next day, if I'm not mistaken, right? So good Dax, Happy and I were planning to have this group. It's called Fashion Designers Alliance Manila. As we all know that there are only 3 legit groups in the Philippines. We have the Fashion Designer Association of the Philippines, Fashion Designer Council of the Philippines, and the youngest, which is the Young Designers Guild, which has been there for 13 years already, if I'm not mistaken. So after 13 years, tatlo lang po ang grupo sa Philippines. So after 13 years, it is quite, not a risk, but it is a challenge for each and every one of us na to put up another group for the betterment of the fashion industry. So when that said yes, that made me more excited. That really made me more excited na people believes in this vision na, kasi una, nag-worry ako pag-isipin, bakit natin klaro ito nag-focus ng another group? Why? Why do we need another group? Hindi pa ba sapat namin tatlong group sa Philippines? What is your opinion there? Gershwin? Ano opinion? Dampy? Cherry? Ano po mga opinion niyo doon? Wala lang. I think it's nice na hindi naman natin dapat i-limit yung self natin, right? If we can help out and if we think we can do something for the best, why not, right? So when Doc said yes, my next in line was Miss Jonah. Miss Jonah Bayaran. Okay, Miss Jonah is one of the most quiet designers as well. Her aesthetic is more of a minimal naman minimal purist in style ni Jonah. I'm not quite sure kung nilalabas niya for Fashion Week.
Siya nga din.
Siya din siya sure kung nilalabas niya. So pure siya. So when I talked to Jonah, fortunately Jonah shared the same sentiment as what I have regarding how each designer, instead of feeling bad, I have to be honest, since we're here tonight, I have to be honest. What I think nangyayari kasi minsan, instead of one designer saying, pa rin talaga yung, like Santi's work is in the cover of Mega Magazine now, if I'm not mistaken, right? So some designer would say, siya yung sa cover, dapat ako yung sa cover, di ba? Mas magaling naman sa kanya. We have to be honest. There are many designers that, there are many designers who, meron parang gano'n. I don't want crowd mentality. Kung mas magaling, kung talagang magaling isa, there's like siya nilagay sa kanya, why don't we pat them at the back and say, congratulations, you did really well. If you need our help, let us know. Diba? So, I was thinking of the same thing. Instead of, may marinig akong mga kwento na, ganyan naman yan, hindi naman ganyan trabaho niya. Instead of saying that, why not praise each other and say, maganda talaga siya magtrabaho. Right? So, I believe in that, and when I told that to Jonah said, that is so true. So when Jonah said yes, I was so happy, and then I have to call someone else again. I told Jonah to tell Yako, kasi gusto ko talaga si Yako. I'm a fan of Yako. When I saw his bag sa isang show, I just attended the show for String of Souls. It was a String of Souls event. May fashion show lang din yung bag ni Yako. Hindi ko pa siya kailang. I have to talk to the designer, I said, because I want to buy the bag. So after the show, I went backstage and met him, and I bought the bag right away. So I was always a fan ever since. And then nagkaroon nga siya ng fashion week, nilabas niya yung bag niya, sold out. Hindi ako naka-order. Hindi niya ako pina-order. Ibigay like na ako. But I told Jonah na why not talk to Yako to say yes. So,
And I said no.
and he said no. To be honest, Yako said no. Ayaw niya kunin yung position as public relations officer. For one reason, Yako think, lang si boss ko pag ganito nirasan ako din. Okay lang. Yako told me na, Yako said na parang, he's not considering himself as a designer. He's considering himself more of a businessman, sabi niya. But you have to remember, I teach in LaSalle College International Theoretical Studies in Fashion and Fashion Marketing. That's what I teach. And I would always tell my student now, as a designer, we have to be 80% business and 20% creativity. We have to remember that. Because no matter how creative we are, there's no business part. I don't think so we would be able to sell our name and make it into a label, no matter what.
So I told Yako, and how can you not call yourself a designer kung nakaka-sold out ka ng creation mo? I think that's quite ironic, right?